This is the Cyber Brief by CybLynx. I have just received this breaking news. Today, June 4th, 2025, Microsoft made headlines with a powerful announcement. The tech giant will begin offering free cybersecurity support to governments across Europe in response to a growing wave of AI-powered cyber attacks. According to Microsoft President Brad Smith, the company is stepping in to fill urgent gaps as state-sponsored threat actors, including those from Russia, China, Iran, and North Korea, escalate their use of AI for malicious campaigns. These include disinformation, election interference, infrastructure disruption, and deepfake impersonation. Microsoft's support includes AI threat detection tools, intelligence sharing, and rapid response mechanisms. The aim: to fortify digital defenses at the national level, particularly as many public institutions lack the tools to keep up with emerging AI-driven risks. But let's break it down. Why does this matter to everyday people like you? Because when governments are targeted, so are citizens. Hospitals, schools, utilities, and public services are all vulnerable. A successful cyber attack doesn't just take down systems. It can delay care, disrupt education, and compromise sensitive personal data. Disinformation is becoming harder to detect. AI-generated audio and video have already fooled the public in real election scenarios. In Slovakia's 2023 elections, a fake audio clip shifted public opinion. Microsoft is calling this out and committing to prevent its AI tools from being misused. This is a warning and a solution. The rise of AI and cybercrime is real, but this move by Microsoft signals that big tech can lead with responsibility and build trust by protecting people, not just profits. At CybLynx, we believe awareness is your first line of defense. Stay with Cyberbrief for sharp, timely reports that help you protect your digital life. Because cybersecurity isn't just for IT teams, it's for all of us.